Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise, and today here for another recipe that is called cabbage and carrots thoran recipe. Before that, please guys subscribe and like and share to my channel. Thanks a lot. And so let's make a recipe. And so here I have taken small half cabbage and then two small carrots here, and chop this carrot and cabbage, fine chopped it like this, and then just added two split green chili here. Green chili you add as per your taste. Now I have added salt. I am bit less spicy in the taste, so I have taken only two split green chili, then added pinch of turmeric, and then full bowl of desiccated coconut, that is dry powder of coconut. Mix it well properly, all these ingredients. I know guys, this is the new recipe I am sharing with you, and this is going to be a very yummiest, super healthy dish I am going to share with you all. And so here I have mixed all these ingredients with the carrot and cabbage. Now let it keep it side. Once you try this recipe, I know guys, daily you will crave for this recipe. And so here I have done with the mixing. Now let's see the next step. Let's heat a pan, add just 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 tablespoon of mustard seed and let it crack it properly. And then here we are adding cumin seed, but firstly mustard seed should crack it properly. Here I have done little bit of hurry to add mustard seed. You guys let oil heat it properly and then only you can add mustard seed. Now the big step here, I am adding 2 tablespoons of urad dal, that is black gram, and fry this until it gets into the brown color and the dal have turned into the brown color. Now we will add dry red chili. Now here I am adding 10 to 12 curry leaves. Just fry it properly. Let's crack it on. And then now here we are adding mixture of cabbage and carrot. Mix it well properly and cover with the pan for 2 or 3 minutes. And here I am taking after 2-3 minutes, checking whether this mixture is cooked properly or not. And now here we will fry with the high flame now little bit and continue stir it like this, fry it like this. Don't stop your hands, just fry and fry guys. And here our dish is ready to serve hot. This is the side dish or starter dish, whatever you call this. Let's try this recipe and comment in the box guys. Thanks so much.